Carina. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. I have one of the most beautiful straight wigs. This wig is absolutely gorgeous, stunning, beautiful, perfection, just everything. I think it's really important to give a warm welcome and an introduction to this hair sponsor. This is the first time I've collaborated with this company. Let's give a warm welcome to today's hair sponsor, Carinahair. They hit me up and they were like, listen, I'm gonna send you the best wig you've ever seen. And I'm kidding, they didn't say that, but they might as well have, okay? Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x6 Real HD pre-plucked hairline glueless frontal wig. This is in the density 250%, and if you couldn't guess the texture, it is their straight texture, but I'm gonna call it silky straight because she is silky. This is the wig that we're going to be installing today. I did bleach the knots on this unit already. This is what she's looking like right now after I've done that. This is what the knots are looking like. Now the knots did come pretty good, like they are really small. I'm really excited to install this wig because I just know it's going to be so beautiful. Look at the parting space on this lace. Big body. Look at that lace, y'all. It's already beautiful. This is what it looks like gluelessly. It is gonna be lifting up in some places. Can you get away with it? Technically, that's not what we're trying to do over here. So we're gonna secure her down because that's what I feel most comfortable with. And I'm gonna apply it in thin sections. If you guys want to purchase this glue or my wig kit, you can find it linked in my IG. Carinahair has a special discount code for you guys. Don't forget to use that at checkout. You can save an extra 25% off, and the code is caviar. Because this wig is beautiful. It's high quality, real Swiss HD lace, which means it's the highest quality lace you can get on the market. Blends in super naturally. I'm very familiar with this type of lace. Anytime I see real Swiss lace, I get happy, and I know that it's going to be a slay. It's going to be melted. It's going to be all of the above. Anywhere that's not secured, I'm just going to go in with my tail comb. I'm pulling that hair back, and then I'm going to apply more product underneath. Because you're never going to get it 100%, like in the beginning when you're measuring out like where you're putting the product. You're always going to have to add a little bit more or remove some. Like, it's just part of the process. Alright, you can always go in and cut more lace off. Sometimes I just cut too much of it off here, so I wanted to do a little bit less so then I can go back in. Okay, and this is going to dry. So what I'm going to do is finish this other side off camera, and then I'm going to come back once we have both sides secured. Okay, this is what she's looking like without any lace tint or anything. Now, I did bleach the knots as I said, so I am noticing like it's a bit lighter here. I'm gonna go in with this powder over that lace. Okay, squish it in. And then we're gonna go in with the Lace Lineage melting spray. And I'm just gonna open it up actually. And then go over the lace. Anywhere that you put the products, like the glue and the powder, just to like really melt those in together. It is a melting spray and that's what it's made to do. I like things natural. If you want a lot of, you know, whatever hairs, sideburns, baby hairs, do you, boo? I feel your hands on my body. Wish we I'm just getting started. Might want a few baby hairs right here. How you feel so right. Been dreaming all night. Could you be mine? We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. We're gonna go in with my Lace Lineage melting spray. I like to put some on my desk while I'm working. And we're gonna start doing the sideburns. You know, melting my lace, doing my sideburns. It works really well for doing your sideburns. You can see it already starts to mold. And then put it down and then just kind of leave it for a few seconds. Let it marinate, you know, do its thing. And then come about and start molding. Same thing, I like to pick it up on my fingertips. Pick it up on my fingertips, put it on there, give it a few seconds. It'll start to dry. It's like something out of a movie. Move on to the baby hairs. And as it starts to dry, you'll start to feel it like stiffen up. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right. If I notice it's like heavy in certain sections, I'm just gonna go in with my tweezers and remove that. Wax stick. I'm gonna go in with some powder that looks like scalp to me. I always do this if you guys have been with me for a while. It really just cleans up that part. And I'm gonna spray some setting spray. Now this is a bit of me. Yeah, this hair is so silky. Wow, it's just beautiful. Oh my goodness, that 13x6 deep body parting space, you could do whatever you want, and it's a true 13x6, so you can part it, you could do all kinds of styles because she's that girl. Are you interested in this wig like I am? You better run over there and get one. I think you're gonna love it. From the density to the texture to the quality to the make, chef's kiss. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. This wig is most definitely Caviar Kez approved. If you guys want to purchase it, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you, so don't forget to check that out before you go. Use my discount code CAVIAR to save 25% off. So bye y'all.